I am Rudra Chaudhary,
And I am Daksh Sharma, and this is our experience of the internship.
and this is the office we visited for the internship. In the front, we have the reception, and on the right side, we have accounts, procurement, and development departments. And on the left side, we have HR and admin, domestic and international marketing, and design department.
This is our workspace where we did our assignments and learned about different departments. This is the HR department, and we worked under this department. This department deals with wages, recruitment, and promotions. The HR department also provides any other training the person may require for the particular job. And they deal with all the people related matters within the company, like grievances, etc. Here we were explained the basic recruitment techniques and we were given an assignment about it, and our results were satisfactory. So here we have a factory tour and you can see some sheets of metal. These are being heated up so that they can get their first coat of paint correctly, so in order to prevent rusting. These sheets are then sent for further painting processes. After painting, sheets are bent in various shapes according to the needs and then sent to the client. Here we can see some of the different shapes they are bent into.